Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we're going to replace this side mirror not because, but we're going to show you how to replace this side mirror if you need to, for whatever reason you broke it off or the electrics inside aren't working and you're going to need to take it off to do your repair. So to start with, you need to pop just this little triangle cover off, and it's just held on with some little push clips. Now we've got 3 screws here and we have an electric connector to undo. So we'll undo this electric connector and just set it there, and then we undo these 3 bolts. Then once those 3 bolts are undone, we have just this tab. We just got to push down a little bit and be able to pull the whole assembly off. Now, when you've got a new one, if you need a new one or a good quality used one, you put it back on by just inserting the bolts through the hole. And then this tab will hold it on there while you're able to start. Alright, so then make sure you make your electric connection back up for your power windows to work, and then put your cover on, your triangle cover piece, line it up, and just snap it into place. And so that's how you replace your side mirror, removal and replace of your side mirror on your 2008 Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.